Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Pisces. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Pisces, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's see what are these cards first. We have Four of Stars, Abbess of Stars in reverse, and Three of Suns. So in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. Maybe for some of you, you are thinking about something. Maybe you are making an important decision and you don't want to do something wrong, and you are thinking clearly. You don't want to repeat something you did in the past, maybe some mistakes, or it may be in your work. So some important decisions are clouding your mind and you are in deep thought about that, and you want clarity in your situation. And there is a person maybe who is really quite close to you, and this person is they are creating a lot of troubles for you, guys. This person is really close to you, someone from your family, and they are maybe criticizing you for something you did, or they are trying to control your actions. They are trying to dominate you for in certain things, and maybe it is helping you to reveal certain things about you. So the way they are creating problems, or they are questioning you on certain things, it is helping you to understand the real problems you have and to cope up with your situation in a different way. So though this person is criticizing you for something and they are troubling you for something, you are getting a better understanding in your situation, and you have that strength and determination, Pisces. You are someone who is really devoted and determined. So whatever you take up, let it be in your work situation or in your relationships, you want to do everything. You have that perseverance to see it through till the end. Do everything possible in your limit, and you are seeing things differently today, or you have a better clarity and understanding in your situation. So it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. And maybe for some of you, you are you don't want to make some mistakes or some rash decisions for yourself. So you are taking time, maybe taking a break, a temporary separation, and you are thinking what should be your next plan of action, because you don't want to repeat the past mistakes, guys. So that is what I see, guys. Pisces, with these cards, let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. It is Five of Stars. So with this card, maybe for some of you, you feel that you will be humiliated if you go speak to this person about what happened between you both, and you are really You don't know, you are really sorry, but you are not willing to let go of your what to say, that ego, and accept your mistakes. So you feel really humiliated to come out with the truth, guys. Maybe it takes time to get over some worry or sadness you have in this connection, Pisces. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is Five of Moons in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, you have bright hopes for your future, and you see certain circumstances unfolding in a positive way, and you are having greater hopes and faith in a brighter future, Pisces. That is what I see with these cards, Pisces. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside, the second card. Let's see what is the card for those who chose this card. It's a Crystal Spirits card here, guys, we have. And it is Passertin Garnet. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in this relationship or in your circumstance today, you have some kind of fear or something is holding you back from showing the other person what you truly are. And you are trying hard, maybe, to make people like you. But you need to understand that the person who is your perfect match, who is your soulmate, is waiting for you, and this person will love you for what you are, what you truly are, not for what you are trying to show about yourself, guys. So you need not worry. You are attractive, beautiful, and you are a beautiful soul as you are, and you need not feel worried or feel any kind of inhibition in showing your true nature, your true personality, your true characteristics. And you need not worry that other people may not feel comfortable with you, seeing you that way. So the right person is coming towards you, and you just have to show your authentic self in any situation. Stop hiding what you truly are, and stop trying to hide out of fear for other person, guys. And today is the right time you need to do that, and you need to realize that you are attractive and beautiful as you are, and this may be the time, the right time. Your soulmate will also recognize all that is attractive in you, and they will come towards you. You just have to be what you are truly, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card, the second card. It is the Wild Swans. Dedication. So this card just means that your story is a story of sacrifice. You have done a lot. You are doing a lot of things sacrificing yourself, maybe physically, emotionally, but your sacrifice is without recognition, and you are doing it out of love for the other person, for someone in your life. And your sacrifice, it may look like a madness to the people around you. Maybe you are not revealing the truth behind your actions. So that may be the reason. Maybe you are devoted to some task or a mission. You have that single mindedness in your work, or in the task that lies ahead of you. It may look like madness. People may see you as someone engrossed in work, not interested to communicate to others. But you are doing something for a greater purpose today, guys. So you are moving towards the greater good of someone you love, and you are going to bring a great change in others' lives, guys, other person's life. And maybe we do not appreciate the work of a scientist or a great artist when they are immersed in their work. Only when we see the final results, we know the potential of their work, and we have the evidence of their skills and talents and their one single-minded passion. So you are doing something like that in your situation, or there is someone doing something like that in your situation, guys. And this is not the time for being judgmental. You just have to see the truth. Maybe your actions or this person's actions may appear bizarre, but they are doing it out of love, and there may be a time coming very soon when they are going to explain things to you guys. And maybe they do not need your approval, or if it is your situation, you do not need others' approval. Maybe you are doing something for a greater good for everyone, but a time will come when you will explain your actions, or when that other person is going to explain their actions. So the time for that great breakthrough is not very far, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.